So this is how my flashcards look like for consonants. So in my beginner level class, my students always asking, Miss, why do consonants look all the same? They look like they're having just one extra line next to each other. And there is a reason behind it, because when King Sejong created the consonants, he really thought about how the speech organs are being utilized to make those sounds. So my flashcards are color-coded based on the place of articulation where each sound is being produced. And you could see in the red, for instance, this is the tongue back sounds, and you see the diagram, right? That is showing you how the pronunciation works. And then having the QR code in the front. And then when you flip through the back, this is the coolest thing that I call triple association. So right here is where you're gonna see the Korean alphabet consonant with the consonant name. And then on this side, you're gonna see the English word, right? That corresponds to the sound that's in Korean. But the word that I'm giving you is having a visualization that really helps you remind you of the shape of the consonant as well. So Korean alphabet, the English word, and then the visualization of that word. This is what I call the triple association. You have the mnemonics explanation here as well with the word in Korean, right? That contains the sound. And then the same, you see sentence examples here that has color coding all in place that also matches with the word in English. Okay?